If you want to close background apps on Redmi 15, all you have to do is go to the background apps or recent apps. In order to do so, if you have three buttons for navigation, you can press this square button. It can be positioned on the left or right side. So tap over here, and here we have all apps that are opened in the background. If you want to close a single app, you can just simply swipe to the right side or to the left side, at least by default, or you can tap on this X that we have at the bottom of the screen. Now, on the other hand, if you use gestures for navigation, in order to go to background apps, we need to swipe from the bottom of the screen towards the middle and hold our finger over here in the middle of the screen for half a second. So something like this. And you will see a white rectangle, something like that, which indicates that you are about to go to background apps. So once you lift your finger, you should be able to be here again. And you can just swipe left and right again in order to close these background apps. But besides that, if you go to settings and open home screen settings, then over here we have arrange items in recent, and we can switch from a vertical listing of background apps to horizontal one. And in this case, we have a list presented like this, so we swipe between them like so. And if you want to close a single app, you have to actually swipe up, so it looks like this instead. And of course, the X button closes everything. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.